Today we're going to talk about Koshu. Koshu is aged sake. Briefly talked about it in the Sake Day episode. It's only about 1% of the market. It's very, very rare, but that's what makes it so special. It's great on a cold day like today. So today, Shinsuke,
Yes.
what do we got?
We have the Kijoshu from Hanahato, Hiroshima Prefecture, aged 8 years, and
It's aged 8 years in the bottle. too.
in the bottle, right?
So there's different ways you could age sake. You could age it in the bottle. You could age it in stainless steel casks, cedar casks, many different ways. So this one specifically, aged 8 years in the bottle. When it's aged in the bottle, it becomes thicker, darker, more dense.
Definitely the color you'll start to notice for
Yeah,
sake that's aged in the bottle versus in stainless steel. Yeah, look at that amber color, man.
Right,
That is
this looks
deep.
like maple syrup. You know, some really nice like bourbon. This would be a good sake to give your your avid bourbon drinkers out there.
That's very true. Yeah.
And don't tell them what it is.
Exactly.
Have them take a sip and they'll be like, oh, this is incredibly smooth. And then next thing you know, you convert
Right.
a bourbon drinker
Hey,
to
or
aged
even
sake.
cognac drinker for that point too.
Ooh,
Yeah.
cognac.
Right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Put this in a cognac glass, and I guarantee they'll probably even, stir to liking this even better than some of the cognacs out there.
Right. So Shinsuke also just said a moment ago that this is it's a koshu, so it's aged sake, but it's also a kijoshu. So what is interesting about this one is that it's they replace some of the water they used to brew the sake with pre-made sake. So it gives it an even more intense flavor and intense texture, very much more sweeter.
Very velvety.
Right,
In
right.
texture too.
Yeah, this is very much an after dinner drink.
Robust, big, earth. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So,
Yeah. Kanpai.
kanpai. Yeah. On the nose, I'm getting like maple syrup. It smells like a chocolate brownie.
Yeah, brownies all day. That's right.
I'd say like dried dark fruit, fig.
Yeah, definitely dried fruit.
Plum. Things like that. On the palate, mostly maple.
Yeah.
Maybe a little.
Really clean though.
Mhm.
For somewhat of a really heavy kijoshu.
Yeah. It almost tastes like prunes, but I don't
I
normally
get
like.
prunes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't normally like prunes, but I mean, in this, it tastes absolutely fantastic. What else am I getting?
Yeah, I
Chocolate,
get big. Yeah, dark chocolate for sure. A little coffee nuttiness too.
coffee. Yeah. So yeah, this is $50 by the bottle, 500 milliliters. And what's great about Koshu is it actually lasts much longer than very fragrant, fruity young daiginjo. So a young daiginjo, I would say 7 to 10 days, where it's after that it's kind of past its prime. Koshu, 3 weeks to even a month.
Yeah.
And I leave it out room temperature. You could drink it cold.
Yeah,
Right.
and I mean, this is room temp right now, and I think this is really great at its temperature that we're drinking it at. Plus, as you guys already saw in the beginning of the video, the bottle wasn't cracked open, new, and it was open for about a week or so, and I think it opened up quite nice. In the beginning, I think I've had this with Alex previously, and it was a little bit too
Boozy.
yeah, a little too boozy, and I think
Right.
it did soften out. And so that's the, again, wonderful thing about Kijoshus and Koshus, that they really kind of open up quite nicely for a more elongated period of time. So
Right, but it still holds up.
exactly.
Yeah. So, okay, $50 a bottle may seem like a lot, but at the same time, you're gonna have it for a long time. So you don't no pressure to like drink it all at once. Have a little glass each night.
Right.
We're in the fall season right now, coming up into winter.
Right.
This is perfect time to drink this stuff.
Especially for the food, for fall food as well.
Right. It goes perfect.
Pumpkins,
pumpkin pie.
for Thanksgiving, guaranteed. We just got offered some softballs.
Cheers, kanpai.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. So, anyways, coming up on Halloween. I think this would be good with some pumpkin pie.
Mm-hmm.
Something with desserts. I would
Yeah.
say more or
I
less.
didn't think like gravy and stuffing. This
Mashed
probably
potatoes and
mashed
gravy.
potatoes and gravy with the. I'm just thinking all out Thanksgiving right here. I'm probably gonna be bringing this to Thanksgiving. To
There
be
you go.
honest with you, yeah.
Yeah.
For those that are looking for a gift, it does again come in a box, and it's a really nice box.
Yeah, and this is something too that's more for the connoisseur. I wouldn't start here. I would start with a fruity daiginjo, something very easy to drink, and then moving into the more complex styles and sakes. And again, this is only 1% of the market, so it's very rare, but it's very special and something that we definitely wanted to touch on today. So
again, but two, I was also gonna say that you know, people that do like bourbon, like you stated before, this is a great gift as well for those that are kind of bourbon lovers and that refuse to, because sometimes I've had customers that would kind of just refuse to drink fruity daiginjos, or it wasn't up to their palate, or it wasn't.
That's true.
And so we'll touch base on the a stainless steel aged,
right. So
sake.
yeah.
So that is a little bit more up the alley of bourbon drinkers, and we've agreed in both of our opinions. Yeah. So as for gifts go, I think that makes a great gift for someone that, you know, is more inclined to bourbon and whiskeys.
Right. And the thing too, if it's not aged in the bottle, it's a little bit, it's not quite as dense, a little bit lighter, not quite as rich and savory and sweet. So yeah,
it tricked me. We'll do a video on Kambara's
Ancient
Treasure.
Yeah. So that one's aged 12 years in stainless steel cask, so a little bit lighter.
And you'll definitely see the change in color as well. I'm gonna show you guys just this again.
Oh, hey,
the color is coming out late, but
awesome.
Kijoshu.
All right. Well, thank you guys. Kanpai. Enjoy your Sunday, and looking forward to the next video.